Hey everybody, welcome back. We are out here again working on the stand. Here's the new results we've got so far. We've got, I put new cross beams on here. We got these treated wood on here now on both sides. We got these X's on both sides. That really sturdied it up when we did that. And it also, when we put the sheathing on the outside, that really got it really sturdy as well. We had to cut all those up, we put the roof on it next, and then we cut all these sheathing pieces. We got all those connected up to it. And over here's the front side, or the back side I should say, where the porch is at. That's where the doorway will be. Cut that out for now. I got to cut out the rest of it. Won't be able to do the windows till I frame those in. I need to frame those in on the inside. So they're 12.5 inches tall. And then I can router out the windows on each side. You can see over here I only made one, I guess you call it a mistake. When I cut that one, these boards are higher on that side and it's lower on that side. So I cut it, I had it flipped upside down, so you can't flip that one around the other way. So that's the only one where, the stripes are on the wrong side, but I guess it doesn't really matter. I'm going to end up covering all of it anyway, so that's all of it done. I'm happy we got this much done this time. It's looking pretty good. It'll look really good when I get those windows cut out. Next thing will be to put the roof on it, we'll put the roof on it, cut the windows, and then wrap it. And I guess I should go ahead and get the actual real windows ordered for it. I haven't even ordered the real windows that are going into it yet, but I'll do that too. I'm going to show you some video here of us working on it today. So check this out. Here's how it went.
Uh-oh, missed for sure, that one.
It's right here.
Yeah, it's an inch and a
Well,
half over. I'll take that back out. She's right here.
Yeah, there you go.
Bullseye.
There we go. Oh, yeah.
No, it ain't going nowhere.
Well, throw it up there first. I can router it off afterwards.
Okay. Okay. And same with this one. There, that one, baby, we know where that one is.
We're going to set it right on this ledge.
Yeah, set it right on that ledge, yep. Pick it up.
So get the bottom corner there. There you go.
There. Slide her that way. There we go.
There we go.
Okay, I got her up here. She ain't going nowhere.
You got a screw to put in it?
Yeah, I will. Suck that baby in now. Gotta be some in there, right there. Two of them on that corner. Or this here?
I'll use that for this.
Oh, okay.
Let's just use this temporarily to get this roof
then
on.
go 2 feet.
This will just be temporary for us to put this up. But at least put these boards in where we think we need them, I guess. But
2 feet.
I can't see Mark.
Alright, gotta turn that. There you go. 2 feet. Mark that one 2 feet. Okay, right there. She's good.
So where are we at here?
Maybe, yeah.
I know where I'm at.
Put a level, or let's put a level. Oh, put a level on it, I think.
I think my battery's dying.
Got a lot of batteries?
She did. Well, I think I got 3 or 4 with me. It's almost like a real house. Got a door.
Steps, it would be a real house.
Yeah, you got a door and kind of got windows right now. Oh yeah, it sucked that right in.
Sucked her in. Let me move my ladder.
We got rafters. Oh, so there's one over here we got to put in still here.
Yeah, that one's doing it.
Well, we got a roof up.
Yeah. Plus.
Got a roof. Got some walls. Here's the doorway. These are a pair of windows. You can see all of this. You can see all that way. And we can see over this way. It's coming together, guys. It's coming together. All right, so we got the roof on here. We got all of the walls on here. And I have ran out of batteries on just about everything. All my power tool batteries are dead. All my batteries are dead for my mics. All I got left is battery power for the camera itself. But here's the only entrance we have right now. I've cut out half the door so we can get out of here. But this is kind of what we got done so far. We got all of the walls up, all the roof done. Still need to shore it up a little bit to kind of piece it all together. But like I said, we get out here, see out in the light. We ran out of battery power on all the power tools, so still need to router out this doorway here. Have to router out the windows. And this porch is kind of on here flimsy right now, but I'm going to replace that with some actually deck. I think actually real deck wood, so it doesn't deteriorate over time. But man, it is looking good. And here's the views, right? Like, see over that direction. Hopefully these leaves will kind of die out in here. Can't really show you the look the other way. I'm go around the corner here. Here's kind of the look out this way. So yeah, it's coming along, guys. Roof has got an angle to it. You can't really tell, but it angles off that direction, so it dives off, so all the water will run off that way. But yeah, I'm super happy with the progress we've made on it. Next time I think we're going to do the roof. On top we'll put a rolled roof up there. Probably going to roll some rubber around the outsides of this too, and then we'll be mostly done with the outside. I don't know if we'll do that next weekend or not. Depends on when my uncle come and help me again. Otherwise, when I come up here next time, I think even if he's not here, I'll go ahead and I will frame in the rest of these windows. And then I'll cut those windows out. And I'll cut out the rest of this doorway. I need more battery power from my power tools. Had 3 batteries and they're all dead. So next time. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like this video and give me some comments. And subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We'd love to have you as part of the channel. We will see you guys on the next one.